Yeah, I need it. I need it. I'm trying to link with everybody. I don't owe nobody and nothing, so hell, I'm trying to link up.
Last year was my first event.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all know everything.
Left side for the win. Oh yeah, that's what I ain't asked him. I'm looking it up now. He gave me the model number. Let me see. That it. Hey, look out. Do you know if you can go live on that camera? Do you know if you can go live on that camera, that ZV-10?
I mean, you can go live. You can go.
I don't know if it's new.
No, you can go live if you get to your computer. You can't go on live like that.
Oh, okay.
There's one of them you can go live on.
Not the ZV-10.
If you connect it to your phone, I think you can go live. That's like one of the features I looked at.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe. I'm finna keep looking it up then. I'm finna keep.
You just have to have the phone in one end and then camera off.
Yeah.
You hook it up.
Probably just gotta plug it up or something. I don't know. Or Wi-Fi. Yeah. I'm finna check it out, man. ZVE10. Oh, they finna drag the track, y'all. I need to be able to live stream and charge at the same time. I figured out how to do that. I can go back to YouTube for that. I can get on YouTube and open up a membership fee, and then only the people that got a membership can watch. That is possible. I learned how to do that. But I was just having a good time with my Twitchers, man. I done turned into an affiliate. Australian Alien then came through. Astro Sweat then came through. Appreciate the sub. Oh no, he followed. Appreciate the follow, man. I'm getting a lot of little follows. A lot of more people know me than I thought would know me. I will say that. I ain't know that many people knew me. 12,000 don't sound like, well, nah, it do sound like a lot. Hey, I be thinking that's good for a YouTuber, but man, Camera Cat doing it, man. Ooh, he doing his thing. 200 and man, he got some subscribers. No, live stream and charge the camera at the same time. Oh. Let me see. Creed, $87. What's up with it? Oh, okay. Talking about charge the camera at the same time. I'm pretty sure that option out there. That option. See, I'm gonna get the picture from the HDMI cable. And hell, once you, I mean, every phone can be charged. I mean, every camera can be charged up. So just put the charge in there and put the HDMI in there and bam. Connect it to my live view setup. And I'm broadcasting everywhere. You hear me? But man, I gotta get comfortable for something like that. They want me to just do all that out of my pocket. And I'm telling you, my pocket, let me reach in there again. Shit, ain't nothing in there but my other phone. Oh shit. Oh, you could just, oh, ain't no.
Watch it, gonna correct this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. They close right there. Watch this. Watch it correct itself.
Damn, ain't nobody driving it.
Watch the wheel correct itself. Watch this. Watch this. Watch the wheel. Watch this. Look at it. Look.
Oh, snap. It done turned and got out of the way for them.
Bro, Elon's hacking your car, bro.
Golly.
Your car's gonna do your payments.
Watch it.
I'm looking at it. That thing not bad, man. He making it come here.
Like, let's say you're at a store, you come out of a restaurant, it's raining.
Yeah.
My God, you can be in the parking lot, it's raining, you can bring it to you, it'll come to you in the front of the parking lot.
Yeah.
Watch this. Watch, it's gonna stop. Watch this. Watch this. Look. He's gonna try to go this way. Look. I love that. Hey, step back a little bit, just a little bit. Step back a little bit, the camera's catching. Watch this. Wait. Watch this.
That thing.
Correct yourself. Eat
Look at that wheel turning and everything. Ain't nobody in there. Oh, that's player. I like that. They still dragging. Let's see finish. They done turned this thing into a straight damn race car, man. Golly. Golly, they done took out everything out this car, man. And woo! Done did this thing. We got the National Donk Racing Association in the building. It's going down.
Call them who?
The National Donk Racing Association, the NDRA.
Talking about the demon.
The demon then pulled out. We're gonna see what it's doing. Hopefully it make a better pass than earlier. Earlier he was looking like he had a problem. I seen a little droplet of oil. And it didn't go that fast. It didn't go fast enough to whoop the blur. That ain't gonna get it. But I believe in him though. He do got some power. They just gotta, you know,
You see the wheels.
yeah, man. On these rims, you gotta play with that timing and know when to unleash the right amount of power when you on the track. You can't just go all out off the line. You gotta turn it on down the track. What he finna do? Look out.
Hey, ask him where the finish line is with the scoreboard.
Okay. Let me see who to talk to. I'll find out who it is. Let me see. Who look official? Damn, don't know about. Oh, no, you don't know nothing. I don't see nobody that made a. Hey, look out. You ever race? Oh, you from? Hey, where the finish line there at the scoreboard?
See where that cone is?
Yeah. They orange cone all the way down there?
Yeah. Yeah, I believe. I don't know if that's the 8th or that's the quarter. I think that's the 8th.
Okay. Damn, I don't know what to tell him.
Welcome to the Scary Fast 2021. Scary Fast 2021.
He knows something. I know who that is.